Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the alternatives that you can actually use for the disk drill alternative. So the first one that is interesting one is Recuva, and with the Recuva, you have free recovery, easy to use, deep scan mode, safe and legitimate, lightweight, multiple device support, and also secure deletion. But it's Windows only. Inconsistent results. So also outdated interface, so it's kind of like the older software, crashes sometimes, no recent updates, and it's CC Cleaner Association. So that's something to be aware of. Now another one that is also Test Disk, that's another one to be kind of a combination with PhotoRec. This is free download and open source, cross-platform, massive file support, works when others fall, expert recommendation, live CD option, but it's command line interface. So this is not you're gonna have a software that is beautiful, you're gonna click around. No original file name, steep learning curve, no preview, Mac chip limitation, basic GUI. So again, something to be aware of, limited. Now then also another one is Wondershare. You can download it, but it's kind of limited. Possibly you're gonna have also, it's very beautiful, but possibly you're gonna have it's going to cost you something. I know it's fully free, but I still wanted to mention it because it's kind of beautiful, right? So it's these are AI. So something to be aware of. And then the last one that I want to mention is Purin. So Purin is also file recovery. It's not really updated anymore, and home use only, Windows only, data interface, no modern window optimization. So it's lightweight, it's going to find a lot of files, multiple scan models, a preview support. It's pretty good. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.